Hello student, today I am going to discuss the B-tree deletion process. In last lecture I have told you about the B-tree properties, that B-tree maintains certain properties that must be followed also in the B-tree deletion. Like B-tree has a certain degree T, depending upon the T we define the minimum number of key value that a node can hold, that should hold, and the maximum number of keys that a node should hold. The minimum number of keys a node should have is equals to t minus 1, and the maximum number is equal to 2t minus 1. So any node should have at least t minus 1 number of keys and at most 2t minus 1 keys. If after deletion certain nodes uh, maintains less than the minimum defined criteria, then in that situation it borrows some key from the nearby nodes. This nearby node could be the left child or right child. If both are not not in a situation to lend any key, then in that situation it can borrow borrow from the parent and from the sibling. But first it opt for the left child, then for the right child. If they are not in a situation to lend some extra key, then in that situation they try to merge, they try to do this with by merging them together. If even after they are not present, suppose there is a situation in when there is no left child or right child, then in that situation extra key is lended from the parents or from the sibling. But there is one important point that you should keep in your mind, that this is not the only criteria. Every time when we delete a node from the B tree, it try to maintain the minimum number of keys. Besides this, it's also try to maintain its pointer. It tries its best to save its pointer, because if we delete a key element data, then along with the key, pointer associated with that key also eliminates. Because of that, the structure of the B tree get disturbed. So B tree tries to save its pointers also. If it is not in a situation to save its pointers, then only it merge or split. So I am going to take an example with help of which I am going to explain you these properties in a better way. So the example is here. Suppose there is a question from the following B tree. The B tree is like this. L P T X. Let's see. O S. Y. Delete C, P and V. C, P and V. And this is the question. Here in the given by tree, we have to eliminate three keys C, P and V. This B tree of degree T equals to degree T equals to 3. Okay, then the solution. Since T is equal to 3, so minimum T equals to 3. So minimum is equal to T minus 1 and maximum is equal to 2T minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, and this equals to 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So every node should have at least 2 key elements, 2 keys, and at most it can have 5 keys. And now we start the procedure of deleting the C element. Delete C. When we try to delete C from this node is already having the least number of key elements. Say, and we try to eliminate C, then it will try to borrow, would try to maintain minimum number of keys in it. It will try to borrow from the left child or right child, but in this situation there is no left child and no right child, so it has no option. It may it may ask for extra key from the parent, because parent is having 5 keys element and it can lend one extra key to it. But by lending a key through the parent, we also know that when we shift a key element, then along with the key element, the pointer associated with that key element also eliminates. And when pointers get eliminated, the different nodes discriminated by that pointer also merge together. So when we eliminate C, then E shifts in that situation, and along with the E, the pointer associated with E also eliminates. So all these merge together. So after elimination of C, the B tree becomes like this: L, P, T, X, A, C. Since E has been eliminated, the pointer which were used to discriminate these two nodes got eliminated, and because of that these two nodes merge together. So E shift down J, K, right, and here and rest of the node remained in the same way: Q, R, S and U, V and Y, Z, right? As E was borrowed in this node, and along with E, pointer got eliminated, and because of that these discrimination between these two nodes got eliminated and they merged together. So the next element that we are going to delete is P. When we try to delete node P, then in this situation, when we try to delete P, this node is having 4 key elements and it can be easily deleted. But the B tree also try to maintain the pointer also. To save its pointer, here the left child is not in a position to lend any extra key. So but right child is having 3 nodes. So one extra node is borrowed from the right child, and after this nodes becomes like that. This node Q shift at place of Q here, and after that this points eliminates. And now every node is maintaining the minimum number of keys, and Q has shifted from the right child to this position to save the pointers associated with that point. This is the point. This is the B tree structure when we delete point P. Okay, 5 minutes. And the next point is when we try to delete node V, what happens? In this situation, when we try to delete node key element V, in this situation, this node is already having minimum number of keys. This element, here when we try to delete node number V, key value V, then in this situation this node is already having the minimum number of key element, and it will try to borrow an extra node to satisfy the minimum number of key criteria. In this situation, it will try to borrow from the left child or right child, but here there is no left child or right child, so this is not possible in this case. And neither sibling are also not in a situation to parent is in position to lend, but after we know that when we transfer a key element, then along with that key, pointers also eliminates. So it will try to save the pointers. But here in this situation, neither left sibling or right sibling is in position to save the pointer. So what happens in this situation? Finally, when we eliminate B an extra key, the extra key from the parent is borrowed, that is x here, and when we eliminate x, and when we shift x to the this key, along the pointer associated with that key element also eliminates, and since this pointer eliminates, which are discriminating points between these two nodes also eliminate, because of that these two nodes merge together. So finally after this it becomes like that: L Q T A C E J K N O R S and U X Y Z. हाँ ठीक, एक सेकेंड, बस एक मिनट. हाँ, so that is the procedure of elimination in B tree.